Welcome to this OrbitNote video focusing on the Arrange Pages feature. With the Arrange Pages feature, you can manipulate documents to reorder, rotate, add, or remove pages directly within the OrbitNote PDF viewer. You can save changes to the current document or save a new copy. This feature improves structure and readability, saves time, increases productivity, and enhances collaboration with well-organized documents. You also have flexible saving options to keep original files intact. To begin, open a PDF document in OrbitNote from your local system, Google Drive, or OneDrive. To view all pages of your document, select the Open sidebar icon in the upper left-hand corner of the viewer. The sidebar allows you to efficiently scroll through your document. You can also view all added annotations in an organized list from the sidebar. To manipulate and organize your document pages, select the Arrange Pages icon to the right of the toolbar. A panel appears, providing options to add, delete, duplicate, move, or rotate your document pages. Manipulate and organize the document pages as desired using these options. When you are ready, save your document changes. A pop-up window will appear providing flexible saving options. You can choose to save the current document, which overwrites the original, or save a copy. If you choose to save a copy, a panel will appear where you can enter a preferred file name and location. If you saved changes to the current document, you will see the immediate changes to your pages in the viewer. If you saved a copy, you will need to open the new document from the OrbitNote dashboard by selecting the Open Dashboard drop-down option. From the dashboard, you can locate and open your new file from the preferred location you selected.